Well, today, Alice and I are going to work on her chimney cap, and we're using GSL ProFlex. And the reason we are doing this is because the chimney cap, over years, has dried up and had cracks in it, and it expanded, and water has gotten into the chimney, which has caused the brick itself to spall and fall off. As you can see, all the pieces on the roof that's come off the chimney. Eventually, this chimney will have to be replaced when the roof's replaced, but it still has a few more years, and this is a stopgap measure to allow them to get a few more years out of the roof and the chimney. As you can see, GeoFlex is a very thick, clear sealant that covers masonry and many other materials. Get a cheap 2-inch brush to brush it on the cap, and then you can throw the brush away when you're done. Alice has just finished applying the GSL ProFlex over the whole mortar cap. Good job, Alice.